Purchasing leak inspection equipment is a long-term investment. It is important that your machine is supported well beyond the first few years of operation. As equipment matures, maintenance and upgrades become a critical service to improve efficiencies and enhance operation. In-house and on-site maintenance are a hallmark of great customer service. Whether it is a component that can be sent back to a U.S. facility for troubleshooting and repair, or a more complex machine issue that requires on-site support, having a partner that will quickly identify and resolve technical challenges is important. Upgrades, mechanical and electrical, keep your equipment from falling into obsolescence and prevent costly repairs down the road. Partner with a leak inspection company that understands the value of extending the life of your investment.